To install HDO box on Firestick, start by navigating to the Settings menu from the Firestick home screen. Then select My Fire TV or device and choose Developer Options. Enable apps from unknown sources to allow the installation of third-party apps. Next, install the Downloader app, and once installed, open it and type hdo.app.tv in the URL field. Then click Go to initiate the download and installation process. After HDO box has been installed, click Install and then Done to complete the process. If you experience issues with your video app, consider installing a VPN for Firestick to protect your streaming and potentially increase your internet speed. This process should successfully install HDO box on your Firestick device.